Welcome back to the Pomchi Pack, everyone. If you are new here, welcome. If you'd like to get into digital planning yourself, or you just want to learn how to make stickers for your own planner, I suggest you subscribe, and not only that, stick around for the end of the video. There's definitely going to be more digital planning and digital art content to come, so be sure to subscribe. Now let's get into today's video. Roll the intro. So for all of those who are completely new to digital planning, let me lay out the basics. So digital planning is a lot like bullet journaling, but just better. You don't need to have the markers, the pencils, the notebooks, the stencils, all of the different colors of markers and highlighters that you have to find a place for when you're not using them, but also when you're trying to set up your journal, you have to have them all in one place. So you have to make a mess and then you have to put it away. I'm a little bit OCD, so this is my grief with bullet journaling. Not only that, but then when I need to put something in my journal, I don't have it. Because when am I carrying a notebook instead of just my wallet and my phone? You know what I mean? The best thing about it is that you don't need to have all of these different materials to experience a completely customized and adorable and aesthetic journal slash planner slash notebook. It's a bullet journal, but without the mess. If you are an Apple slash iOS user, it will be practically impossible for you not to have known about the app called GoodNotes. GoodNotes is the note-taking app that is basically taking over the entire digital planning universe. If you are an Android tablet user, you have probably heard of the app called Penly. Penly is a close second in comparative to GoodNotes, and it's equally powerful. For today's video, I'm going to use my Apple iPad Air 5th generation to design my stickers, and then I'm going to show you how I upload them into GoodNotes 5 in order to use them in my planner. Now first off, let's start with the materials we're going to need if you want to do this as well. You want the Procreate app, or for Android users, Sketchbook. You want to be prepared with the design in mind and the purpose for it. So do you want it to be a cute aesthetic sticker, or do you want it to be something like a reminder, like a do dishes sticker, a laundry sticker, something like that? Today I'm going to do a chore sticker, and I'm going to make one for laundry day. At the end, don't forget to add just a little border so it shows up a little bit better on your pages. So make sure that it's a good contrasting color from the pages of your planner. Now next step is you want to export it. So now we are going to go through the steps of how to take it out of your drawing app and into your note-taking app. So while you're in your drawing app, you want to export it into your files folder. Just a pro tip, exporting it into your files instead of just your photos will help you keep more organized and keep everything in one place when you have designed multiple stickers for your planner. And next you will open your note-taking app. For me, that would be GoodNotes. I go up to this little Elements button, I tap it, open the folder that I want to import it to. I tap the label of that folder, it brings up the option at the bottom in order to import new photos. You press that button, go into the folder that you have all your stickers in, and you import the ones that you want. For the Penly app, I believe the process is similar, but I'm not quite certain because I don't have much experience with it. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials though on how to import your own stickers on YouTube, and if I find a couple, I will link them down in the description as well. Now once your stickers are imported to your note-taking app, you're finished, and you can use these stickers at your pleasure in order to remind you or just to make you feel good because it's a cute stinking sticker. If you're interested in using any of the stickers that I have designed myself, here's a sample of a few. Leave a comment down below. I am working towards opening a digital store to sell the designs that I've made, not just for stickers, but for other things just like illustrations and things that I have found myself creating, and I will sell them as individual designs or bundles. So if you'd like to be a part of that, be sure to leave a comment down below so I know. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoy this kind of content, as well as DIYs, product reviews, and even corsets, I highly recommend that you subscribe and join the Pomchi Pack because that is all things that we handle here. And if you want to be one of the first to see my new creations as I make them, I highly recommend that you find me on Instagram. That is where I post my new creations as I make them. I even do polls on there to ask you guys what you want to see. I do video content polls, so what you guys want to see on my channel. So find me on Instagram at Pomchi Productions and become more involved in the channel. Now, I believe that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much again for joining me. I had so much fun making this video for you. And I hope that this video has helped inspire you to make your own stickers and give you some ideas of what you'd like to do. And maybe it'll inspire some of you to get started into digital planning planning as well. I am definitely that person that loved bullet journaling, but it was a love-hate relationship because it required so many things. I could never really just have the things that the YouTubers had when they would do their bullet journaling. Everything was just so organized, and yeah, my bullet journals never looked like that. But digital planning does really give you the freedom to make a journal, a notebook, and a planner that is completely and uniquely your own. That is it. Make it a great week by trying something new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now!